How to fix username change problem on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the error with username changing on Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the Facebook application on your mobile device, and also make sure that you have updated the application to the latest version available. For that, go back and open Play Store and then search for Facebook. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open button over here, simply tap on update to update it to the latest version available. Now you just have to simply go back. Now go back and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account on your Facebook. You can also go ahead and click on the system settings option, then scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Facebook. Once you find it, click on it. And then scroll down and go to storage and simply tap on clear cache and also click on clear data. This includes the apps data, including files and settings, which will be permanently deleted from the device. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Now you can go ahead and uninstall the Facebook application and then reinstall it from the Play Store again. I also want you to know that once you set a new username on Facebook, you won't be able to change it for a couple of weeks. So you have to make sure about that as well. So this was all about it. These are the solutions you can follow to fix the error that is blocking you from changing username on your Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. If you found this guide helpful, please